Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street rallied, surging at the start of what promises to be a hectic week, marked with a heavy earnings docket, economic data, and the Federal Reserve's two-day monetary policy meeting and subsequent interest rate decision. Crypto-focused investment funds enjoyed $326 million of net inflows last week, the largest single-week influx since July 2022. Digital asset investment firm CoinShares reported. The Australian dollar rose on Monday as a stronger-than-expected retail sales report added to the case of higher interest rates at home, although volatile global risk sentiment has capped the gains.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 13:45 GMT. The US Consumer Confidence at 1400 hours GMT, the Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 1000 hours GMT. The French Gross Domestic Product will be released at 0630 GMT, Japan's BOJ Interest Rate Decision at 0300 hours GMT, Japan's BOJ Monetary Policy Statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.